Hey guys, how's everyone? So this is going to be a part, if you guys have followed me for some years now, you know I like the simple things, makes a big difference. So on the MDX is going to be no different here. If you remember, one of the first things I always do is these cheap little parts. Get them eBay, Amazon, but it's these latch covers. I never like how these latches, you can see the bolts. They just look unfinished to me. The higher end cars, I know they put these covers on them. So I just picked these up. Just type in door latch covers. They also have them for here. I'm going to get these too, if you remember the little pieces of plastic, just to cover up the bolts. Very basic. You can get these in metal too if you want. Has words on them, whatever you want to do. But I like these black plastic ones for this. They just snap right over and just cleans it up. Nothing crazy, but just gives it the finished look. That's kind of what I like. I don't like to see like little bolts or the heads of bolts or anything like that on the car. I like to look clean. So these little things are, I think, cost $6 for 4 of them. Very cheap. And like I said, you can get different colors depending on what your color theme is, like aluminum ones. Again, these are just the plastic option. Very basic. You just snap them on and they actually snap right in and never fall off. And just gives it that clean, finished appearance. And then these ones I'll get. I need to order those. But those are the same type of thing. There's one bolt there that sticks out and it'll just cover that. So again, I know nothing exciting on this one, but thought I would share that if you guys haven't seen them. You can get them anywhere. AliExpress, you can get them. Really cheap, but again, I think it makes a difference. Just cleans it up a little bit. So let me know if you guys are using those, if you guys have even seen them, what your guys' thoughts are on them, just to keep it clean. Okay? I appreciate it. I'll catch you guys in the next one.